What does a victim look like? Are they a boy or a girl? Do they have brown eyes, blue eyes, green eyes, or hazel eyes? Are they tall or short? How old are they? What is a victim like? Do they spend too much time playing video games? Are they in standard classes or AP? Do they play sports? What does a bully look like? Boy or girl? Brown hair or blonde? Are they fat or thin? Do they have a forehead that protrudes a little bit, one that makes them look like an 8? What is a bully like? What's their favorite TV show? What kind of grades do they get? How is their relationship with their parents? What do they want to be when they grow up? You probably have a pretty set mental picture of what a bully looks like, but would you expect someone who looks like this? Or this? Or this to be a bully?
Dude, what are you doing? I was just trying to get in the fridge.
Sorry.
You're always in my way. God.
Hey, your locker door is in my way. Can you just... God, you're so stupid.
Bullying is terrible, but when you're doing something wrong at school, a teacher helps you do it better. And when someone's being bullied, they're encouraged to go see a guidance counselor, talk to a trusted adult, get help from wherever they can. So why don't we encourage bullies to get the help that they need to stop bullying? If all we do is turn our back on bullies, if we villainize them, if we turn them as a group into monsters, we'd be doing them all a disservice. We might even be making their bullying problem worse. So instead of turning our backs on them, we should embrace them. We should help the bullies just as much as we help the victims, because they need help too. And at first, they'll probably fight it. And if they fight it too hard, maybe you can't help them. But if we're going to eliminate bullying from our schools, from our communities, from our Facebook pages and our Twitter feeds, from our homes, then we need to address both sides of the issue. There are two sides to every coin. We need to address both sides if we're going to make real change.